I, Niharika, welcomes you to Pehel Horizon, an international research journal podcast where we talk and you listen the valuable content and together we fight boredom. So we are back with another amazing podcast and today's topic is DEI. DEI stands for Diversity, Equity and Inclusion in Workplace. It's the umbrella term for the program, policies, strategies and practices that implements a company's mission to create and sustain a diverse, equitable and inclusive environment that respects and accommodates every employee's ethnicity, sexual orientation, gender identity, physical ability, religion, age, veteran status, etc. Defining diversity is a great place to start with DEI initiatives. An organization is considered diverse when it not only mirrors the society in which it operates, but when its inclusion efforts also tear down institutional bias around race and other marginalized identities. Improving diversity in the workplace requires not only hiring individuals of different races, ethnicities, genders, ages, religions, disabilities, and sexual orientation, but those with varied experiences, education, skill sets, beliefs, and personalities. While not entirely comprehensive, these broad category of diverse groups can help identity gaps that exist within an organization. They also provide an opportunity to establish metrics and set goals for increasing diversity in the workplace. Equality and equity are two distinct concepts, although they are often used interchangeably. Where equality gives everyone access to the same opportunity, equity in the workplace means that access to opportunities is proportional to each person's needs. This ensures that the opportunity is equally advantageous to everybody because it's offered in a way that takes diversity into account. In other words, equity will eliminate barriers and level the playing fields by giving each person the right kind of support. Through social norms and behaviors, a culture of workplace inclusion ensures that everybody is given equal opportunity and feel welcome to participate and contribute. If everyone has the same background, expectations and experiences, inclusion is really easy. You don't have to think about what it will take for people with different backgrounds and experiences to excel. It's when you actually get diversity into an organization, a mix of gender, a mix of generations, a mix of cultural backgrounds, that you begin to ask the fundamental questions about, are we inclusive? Are we being equitable? Do people feel like they belong? And can everybody bring their best selves to work? Thank you everyone for listening. If you like this podcast, then please do follow us on our social media platforms, or you can also visit our website www.pehelhorizon.com. So stay tuned for such amazing podcast.